In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your playtime in Genshin Impact. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Instead of checking your playtime in the game, what you have to do instead is check your playtime on the HoYoLab website. You can just log into HoYoLab using the same account that you use for Genshin Impact, since that is your HoYoverse account. Go into the HoYoLab website and just log into your Genshin Impact account as usual. After you are logged in, you might have to do a quick startup, a setup, but after you are done, you can access your settings by clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and selecting Personal Homepage. As you can see, you will be redirected to your homepage, and it's mostly empty without any posts, followers, etc. But all you have to do is click on the right side of the screen where it says Genshin Impact, your name and your server. You will then be redirected to the Battle Chronicle page, and as you can see, the first option we have within the summary is the days active. As you might expect, days is our play type, however, it's not the exact number of hours. So, let's say on the summary, you have been active for 121 days. As you can see, this isn't an exact number of hours, so what you have to do is, let's say you play roughly 3 hours a day and you are active for 121 days. You would just open up a calculator and multiply this number of days active by the amount of hours you roughly play per day. I note it's impossible to calculate the accurate amount of hours because some days you might spend more or less. However, this is the only way to check your playtime, and this should give you an okay estimate of how many hours you have spent on Genshin Impact. Besides this method, there is no other official way to see the exact amount of hours you have played Genshin Impact for. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your playtime in Genshin Impact. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.